Best running shoes. Are you looking for the best running shoes? In this video we will look at some of the best running shoes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 5. Adidas Adizero Adios Pro 4. Push your limits on race day with the Adidas Adizero Adios Pro 4, engineered for serious runners who demand speed, efficiency, and comfort over long distances. Designed with cutting-edge technology, these premium racing shoes deliver an exceptional blend of cushioning and energy return, making them a top choice for marathon runners. At the core of the Adios Pro 4 is its advanced midsole foam paired with carbon-infused energy rods, providing a responsive, spring-like feel with every stride. This innovative setup ensures a smooth yet powerful ride, helping you maintain performance even deep into a full 42K marathon. Despite its impressive cushioning, the shoe remains lightweight at just 197.5 g, 6.97 ounces, allowing for fast, effortless movement. With a 7.0mm heel-to-toe drop, runners benefit from a balanced transition that supports both speed and endurance. The design prioritizes forward momentum, delivering a controlled yet dynamic experience that reduces fatigue during long races. While built for peak performance, the Adios Pro 4 focuses less on long-term durability and lateral stability, making it ideal for race day use rather than daily training. Whether you're chasing a personal best in a marathon or pushing your limits in competitive racing, this shoe provides the speed and efficiency you need to excel. Experience elite-level performance and take every stride closer to victory with the Adidas Adizero Adios Pro 4. Number 4. Adidas Adizero Evo SL. Take your daily runs and speed sessions to the next level with the Adidas Adizero Evo SL, a high-performance uptempo trainer designed for runners who want premium features without the premium price. Built with Adidas advanced midsole foam, typically found in elite racing shoes, the Evo SL delivers impressive energy return and a lively, responsive ride. Weighing just 220 g, 7.76 ounces, this lightweight shoe is perfect for runners who value speed and agility. Its responsive cushioning makes it especially effective during tempo runs, intervals, and faster-paced training sessions, where it truly shines with a dynamic and energetic feel. The 6.7mm heel-to-toe drop promotes smooth transitions and efficient forward motion, helping you maintain momentum throughout your run. While the Evo SL is versatile enough for both training and occasional race day use, it performs best at higher speeds. At slower, easy paces, the ride may feel slightly firm compared to more cushioned alternatives. For runners prioritizing comfort on recovery days, plush trainers like the ASICS NovaBlast May 5 offer a softer experience. Featuring a durable plastic shank for added structure and stability, the Evo SL balances performance with everyday usability. Though it lacks the aggressive propulsion of carbon-plated super shoes, it remains a strong option for amateur runners seeking a blend of comfort, responsiveness, and value. Whether you're chasing faster splits or upgrading your training gear, the Adidas Adizero Evo SL is built to keep you moving efficiently and confidently. Number 3. Mizuno Neo Vista 2. Experience next-level comfort with the Mizuno Neo Vista 2, a max-cushion running shoe designed to deliver exceptional protection and softness for every mile. Built for runners who prioritize comfort over long distances, this high-stack trainer combines advanced cushioning technology with a surprisingly lightweight feel. At the heart of the Neo Vista 2 is a dual-foam midsole system, engineered to provide a plush and supportive underfoot experience. This innovative construction is stabilized by a plastic plate, ensuring a smooth and controlled ride despite its towering stack height. Whether you're logging long training miles or enjoying easy recovery runs, the Neo Vista 2 offers unmatched cushioning with a soft, protective feel. Weighing 263.4 g, 9.29 ounces, the shoe balances its substantial cushioning with manageable weight, making it suitable for extended wear. The 9.8mm heel-to-toe drop promotes a comfortable stride, especially for heel strikers seeking added support and shock absorption. The upper features a relaxed, roomy fit, which enhances comfort but may run slightly large, so consider sizing down for a more secure fit. While the Neo Vista 2 excels in comfort and easy-paced runs, it's less focused on speed and responsiveness compared to performance-oriented trainers. If you're looking for a shoe that prioritizes plush cushioning, durability, and all-day comfort, the Mizuno Neo Vista 2 is an excellent choice. perfect for recovery days, long runs, and runners who want maximum protection without sacrificing overall performance. Number 2. ASICS SUPERBLAST 2. Take on your longest runs with confidence in the ASICS SUPERBLAST 2, a premium maximalist running shoe designed for exceptional comfort, smooth transitions, and reliable stability. Built for endurance-focused runners, this versatile trainer delivers the perfect balance of cushioning and responsiveness to keep you going mile after mile. The SUPERBLAST 2 features a dual-layer midsole that combines a soft, plush top layer with a firmer, supportive foam underneath. This advanced design provides excellent shock absorption while maintaining structure and stability, ensuring a smooth and controlled ride even during extended efforts. The shoe's slightly stiffer rocker geometry helps promote efficient forward motion, allowing for seamless transitions throughout your stride. Weighing just 247.5 g, 8.73 ounces, the SUPERBLAST 2 offers a lighter feel than many max cushion alternatives, making it easier on your legs during long-distance training. With a 9.1 mm heel-to-toe drop, it supports a natural stride while offering added comfort for heel strikers and endurance runners. While it may not match the aggressive speed and energy return of raceday super shoes, the SUPERBLAST 2 excels in delivering all-day comfort and dependable performance. It's ideal for long runs, daily training, and runners who value protection and consistency over raw speed. If you're looking for a high-cushion, stable, and smooth-running companion for your training miles, the ASICS SUPERBLAST 2 is built to help you stay comfortable, efficient, and strong from start to finish. Number 1. New Balance FuelCell Rebel V4. Find your footing with the New Balance FuelCell Rebel V4, a lightweight stability trainer designed for runners who want solid ground contact without sacrificing performance. Engineered with a wide base and a lower stack height, this shoe delivers exceptional lateral stability, helping maintain balance and control even as fatigue sets in during faster-paced runs or longer sessions. The FuelCell Rebel V4 features a responsive midsole that provides both cushioning and a lively bounce, giving each stride a smooth, energized feel. While it doesn't include formal support structures like medial posts or pronation correcting blocks, its natural design ensures reliable stability and balance, making it an excellent choice for runners seeking a stable ride without added weight. Weighing only 214.7 g, 7.57 ounces, this shoe remains easy on your legs while providing a grounded, confident feel. Its moderate cushioning allows for efficient energy return while keeping the foot close to the ground, promoting quicker transitions and agile movement during interval training, 5 Burmese shots, or 10 Burmese shots. Compared to more structured support shoes like the ASICS Gel Cayano 32, the FuelCell Rebel V4 offers a lighter, more responsive ride, while still prioritizing stability. For longer endurance runs requiring extra protection, a higher stack shoe such as the ASICS NovaBlast may be preferable. Whether you're pushing speed in shorter races or tackling daily training with confidence, the New Balance FuelCell Rebel V4 combines lightweight design, responsive cushioning, and reliable stability to help you stay balanced, efficient, and in control every step of the way.